seconds.
Are we going now? Oh shit! Oh my days!
Okay, you leave the pedals inside. Exit here, hey, go up. You get space, then you can go out.
I feel like I'm smuggling, I'm crossing the border or something.
Use your cane. Hey, use your cane. Use your cane.
Use your hand, no?
Yes, can, yeah. Go there, go there. You need to make space. Go there, you need to make
Yalla, rough fold, rough fold. Apologies for the app. That's good. That feels good. Oh, I'm freezing. Oh god, I'm freezing, man. Fucking hell, man, I'm freezing. Oh god. Yeah, this is freezing. This is. Bah. Oh god. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. ازيكم يا جماعة؟ ازيكم؟ بارد اوي صح؟ God, it's bad out here. Woo. Oh, you regret your decision. You regret your decision. Oh God. Oh man. It will only be 10 meters. It will only be 1 minute. This guy's Dutch and he says it's cold. We're stuck in a cave. This is beautiful though. Wow. Amazing.
Maar zit er nou een beetje beweging of wat?
Helemaal niks. Nee. يلا بينا يلا. Oh, yo. I am ready for this shit. I am ready for this shit. No way. No way. Nah. Yo lahwi. Yo lahwi. Oh. Oh, it's too cold for him. It's too cold for him. Yeah. Oh my days. Go. Yeah, go. Follow him. I don't know why I brought my shoes. Why did he tell me to put shoes on? If I don't get hypothermia. Nice one. Oh God, this is amazing. I'm gonna get a quote from this later for sure. It's freezing here. Ya lahwi. Ya Allah. أنا مش مستعد. Go on guys, come on. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna jump. Fuck it. I'm gonna jump, guys. I'm gonna do it for you. This is what it looks like. This is what we're jumping this. Go. Bismillah. Ya Allah. I didn't expect it to be this intense. No fucking way. Shit. Ya Allah. Is it cold? Yeah.
Of course, swimming at
dying. The first time I'm gonna swim with slippers.
Yalla man. 1, 2, 3, go!
Yalla. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Okay, I'm scared, man. I'm actually. Can I go? Can I go? Bismillah. Oh, what? Allah. Ya Allah. Ay Allah. Ya Allah. Oh God, this is the best thing I've done in a long time.
Right, man. Follow over here.
Okay, one
Carefully.
Okay.
Go there. Another foot inside. Another foot there. On the rock in the water. Go right. Right.
Where do I go? Fucking amazing. Oh God. Oh God, that's beautiful. Oh man, I'm not even exaggerating. I'm not even exaggerating. This shit's incredible. Oh my God. Oh, damn, that's beautiful. Amazing. 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 This was fucking incredible. 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 Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh my God, that was amazing. I couldn't stop laughing when I jumped. It was just the experience is so surreal. Oh. Oh man. That was amazing. That was amazing, guys. Ooh. I actually want to do that again. يلا نصور. That was incredible. Incredible. One of the best things I've done in my life. It's incredible.
Okay, right here. Go right, go right. Careful on the rock. With the beak, go right.
Woo!
Okay.
I'm gonna take a picture with these guys.
Okay.
Wow.
Yes. One of the best experiences out here.
You heard it. It was the best.
Can we take a picture with the I will take a picture when everybody's out. Just together. Just you two. Okay,
Yeah,
first solo. 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 Take solo now. Take your solo. Okay. Okay. And then now you two together. Okay, be careful, be careful. Yes. Yes, awesome.
Thank you.
How many of just 3 of you in your group?
No,
Still they're coming. Together? The boat. Just
right,
just okay. So 3 of you.
Oh man, amazing.
Okay, you can follow the others.
We go up there.
Be careful. Can we hold the rope? You can hold the rope, no problem, but for now it's bad. Okay.
Oh my god. Look at this, guys. This is the experience. That was one of the coldest waters I've ever experienced in my life. He said 10 degrees. I thought this guy was messing with us. But no, it was... Oh, where am I supposed to go?